Today I'm upgrading the crash protection on my KTM Duke. This is a really easy upgrade to do. Long one in here. And that's how easy it is to put case protectors on to the 390 Duke.